2, knee, push, knee, push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Point, close. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Knee, push. So we start off with a shoulder push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. We didn't show you can add a little bit of seasoning. 1, 2, drag step. Drag step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. We didn't show you the knees. 1, 2, knee, push. Knee, push. 1, 2, triple step. We didn't show you can do it with a point. 1, 2, triple step. Point, close. We didn't show that point to go anywhere around the clock that you would like it to go. Boom, 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 boom. If we match, it's great. Like we can go around the clock together just for funsies. We can be like, hey, we did one of them. Doo-da, doo-da-da. Hey! But also if we mix and match, it's totally fine. She's gonna go a direction, I go a direction. Works great, no problem. Works both sides also. 1, 2. Also, if she does a point and I do a knee drag, 1, 2, works fine. We can mix and match any way we want. We can also do the knee drags in other directions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Knee push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everything you learned tonight looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. 1, 2, knee push. Knee push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Point, close. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Knee push. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Kortnee. Brown guy, grab a girl. It's time to practice. Circle up on the brown line. Grab a guy, grab a girl. It's time to practice.